National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a dust storm warning for central Clark County in southeastern Nevada until 3:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 11:55 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a large wall of dust was seen over Mopa Valley, 4 miles southwest of Glendale, Nevada, moving southwest at 65 miles per hour. Locations in the path include Nellis Air Force Base, North Las Vegas, Sunrise Manor, Las Vegas, Paradise, Winchester, Summerlin, Spring Valley, Whitney, Henderson, and Enterprise are in the path of this dust storm. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with potentially damaging winds in excess of 55 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hazardous travel. The following highways affected include Interstate 15 between mile markers 24 and 87. Interstate 215 between mile markers 1 and 12. Clark County 215 between mile markers 12 and 50. U.S. Route 93 between mile markers 11 and 60. U.S. Route 95 between mile markers 56 and 93. Air traffic to and from the McCarran International Airport and the North Las Vegas Airport will be affected. As a precautionary measure, it is advised that motorists in Clark County should not drive through a dust storm, as low visibility to near zero can lead to dangerous conditions on the roads. If you are currently driving, if possible, stay away from the approaching dust storm. If you are caught inside the storm, pull over to the side of the road with all lights turned off and your foot off the brake. If you are indoors, close all doors and windows and cover any visible holes to prevent dust from entering.